In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Apex Stretched No Black Bars. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you want to play Apex Legends Stretched to where it fills the entirety of your monitor with a custom resolution, you can easily do this by changing some settings in your GPU's control panel. So I'm going to be teaching you how to do this with NVIDIA. You can absolutely do the same thing with an AMD GPU, but sadly I'm not going to be covering it in this video. However, the process should be similar, so you can try to do it on your own and you will most likely be able to do it after watching this video. In the NVIDIA control panel, you will go over to the display category and choose change resolution. If you haven't already, you need to create a custom resolution, so click on customize and create your custom resolution that will stretch to fill the entirety of the screen. This can be, for example, 1440 by 1080. It is a very popular choice. So you just modify the values here. So in this example, 1440, 1080 is already set up. And then you just confirm. Make sure that you set the refresh rate to the max that your monitor can do. Test it out, and if it is okay, save it. Now, before you actually move on and use it, go over to this folder, this PC, then your main drive, in this example, C, users, your username, and then saved games, respawn, Apex, and local. You can usually just look for saved games on the search function and you will be able to find this folder. But if you don't, go over to our Apex store, these files. Now open videoconfig.txt. Because this is a text file, it should be easy to just open it up with Notepad by default. You will have a bunch of options, and what you are looking for is this: settings, or rather setting.defaultRes and setting.defaultRes height. And you can clearly notice that this is your default resolution, 1920 by 1080. Modify these values to the custom resolution that you will be using, so only change the numbers. Afterwards, make sure to save this text document. Once it is saved with the new values, now you can go back to change resolution, pick the custom resolution that you want to use, and make sure that you apply the resolution. Once the resolution is applied and you modified the notepad file that I showcased, just open Apex and it is going to work. If it is not working, then you might have to copy this launch code. You will be pasting this in Steam or the EA app with all of these properties here. And after you paste it there, it should work flawlessly. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.